Hi guys, so today I filmed this colourful eye makeup look. If you guys want to see how I use the NYX Ultimate Brights palette to create this look, keep on watching. So my base is already done. My skin is so crusty at the moment that I kind of didn't want to show you guys how bad it was, to be honest. So we are going to start with the cheeks, and I am going to take this powder. So this is Select Sheer Pressed NW50, and add some contour onto my skin because look at how pale I am. So we're just going to add a little bit of colour onto the skin. So I like to start with this first and then go in with the bronzer afterwards. Next, adding some bronzer, we're taking the Medium Dark Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC again, and just popping a little bit on the cheeks and then warming up the hairline. Onto blush now, we are using Spring Sheen. This used to be one of my favourites when I was doing freelancing because it's got the prettiest gold reflect in it. So when you're putting it on, it doesn't actually turn out too intense. Just a little bit of glow. So all the products that I use in today's video will be down below in case you guys want to have a look and you miss any of the names, or for my base and my lips. So check down below if you need any of the products. Highlight next, we are using this L'Oreal Paris palette. This is honestly amazing. Like, I cannot get enough of this highlighting palette. So today I'm going to be mixing these two here, but mainly using this lighter highlight because I'm super pasty, so I actually have to. They're really pretty eyeshadows as well. And I'm just taking a fluffy eyeshadow brush because I want to concentrate it more so in particular areas. Is anyone excited for Game of Thrones to come back? I am so excited. It's not far away now. I actually cannot wait. If you guys are fans of Game of Thrones and you have any like ideas of to what you think is going to happen, leave a comment down below and let me know, because I'm literally watching every single YouTube video there is to find out what people think, because I'm like, I have no idea what's going to go down. Someone help me out and let me know. So we've got our highlight on now, and I am going to add a little bit of that bronzer just down the sides of my nose, just for a little bit of nose contour. Feeling like my nose is pretty big at the moment, so we're just going to blend that out. Just down the side as well. And then taking my brush from before and just blending out those edges. A little bit more shape, which is what we needed. Now going on to the eyes, we are going to start with this NARS primer. This is nice and tacky, so this is why I wanted to use the NARS one, because we are going to be using the Ultimate Brights palette. I love bright colours on the eyes, so I haven't really had a play with all the colours. I don't actually know what we're going to do today, so we're just kind of throwing ourselves in the deep end. Hopefully the look is nice. There you go. Cool, so we've got some eyeshadow primer on. I'm just going to blend that out. Perfect. And voila, this is the palette that we are using today. I'm so excited. I swatched a couple of the colours and I thought that it could be really cool to use these three here because I actually love the yellows. Yellow is one of my favourite colours to use on the eye, but this looks stunning as well. We may even use some of this colour here too. So let's get started. We are going to take fluffy blending brush here, and we are going to first put this really nice warm yellow all through the crease, kind of like our base color, I guess. So let's start. So we have the warmer yellow on the eye now, and we are going to now take that brighter one and blend everything together. Ooh, that really brightens it up. That's really nice. That yellow is looking great. I can already see I've got a really dry patch here on my eye, and it's clinging to that a little bit, which is absolute pain. But like I said, I've got my base on because my skin is really crusty at the moment. It's like the chlorine in our shower water is having a meltdown with the skin, like my skin I should say, because I have psoriasis, and it's like never ending story. So anyway, we are going to now take this warmer green and blend that towards the base of the crease. Start getting a nice amount of colour, and then we're going to put it on each outer corner too. So inner corner, outer corner, and then the pop of colour is going to be this bad boy right here. That aqua shade, it's going right in the middle. Now we need to blend, so we're just going to softly blend the colours together and then put our second layer on. I feel like we need to add a little bit more yellow back into the eyes, so just taking that first blending brush, we are just blending some more yellow in. And we're going to take the yellow underneath the eyes, and then we are taking that aqua colour again straight underneath, so it's like a halo kind of effect. Now we need to blend that out. I feel like I'm holding my brush so close. Like you know what I'm also excited to see is the new Avengers movie. I feel like a bit of a nerd saying that, but let's face it, I actually am. But I am so excited to see that as well. So now we're taking that more aqua shade underneath the eyes as well. Ooh, that looks quite cool. And blending that out to soften it a wee bit. That's funky. I wonder if this will stick. I was thinking it could be quite cool to take a glitter and pop a little bit on top of that aqua shade. This is a lime crime glitter in the shade Virgo, but I don't know if it's going to stick without any glitter glue. I just don't want to risk it and put glitter glue on top. So let's see if this actually works. Maybe we could take a tiny bit of that NARS primer and put it on top. I mean, that might work. Hopefully, let's see. I mean, it did, but I think I prefer it before. Oh well, we've done it already. So we're just gonna pop some more glitter on top then. Meh. Might pop a little bit of that back on top. Oh yeah, that's alright. Next step to make the eyes pop is some gel liner. So we're just going to use black to keep it nice and simple. And this is one of the NYX gel eyeliners. So going to pop that on with a wee angled brush. The wings just get bigger and bigger when I do them. I think I'm going to take a little bit more of those two yellows mixed together and pop it in the inner corner. Like just strong yellow. That's quite cool. I was thinking about using lashes in this look, but then I thought, you know what, I feel like the lashes will take even more of the colour away because the liner looks quite like in your face, so I don't want to make the colours smaller than what they already are. So we are going to take a little bit of nude liner, this is one of the Stila ones, and pop that in the bottom waterline. Just to make my eyes look a little bit bigger with all this colour that's going on, and the dark liner. Perfecto. And lastly, we need some mascara. So favourite at the moment, this is the Bobbi Brown Eye Opening Mascara. So we'll chuck some of this bad boy on. Oh, that looks cool. Oh, the lighting's changed. Super warm now. Next, spray. I was going to say setting spray and then I was like, this isn't a setting spray. So you could of course chuck some setting spray on now, but like I said, this crusty skin needs some hydration. So Mario Badescu facial spray, here I come. Not overly excessive or anything. And we'll just let this mull on the skin for a minute. Did I have lipstick on my teeth the whole time? That is so bad. Does not surprise me in the slightest though. But other than this dewy skin that needs to dry down, you can see like all the little droplets sticking to my baby hairs. I actually have such a fluffy face. I'm like a bear. At least I know my skin's being protected by all my baby hairs. But anyway, this is the final makeup look, guys. I am so happy with how it turned out. Something so easy and simple, but it looks like I've put in so much effort, which is what I really like because I'm lazy. That's just me. So you can see we've got the yellow and the green colours, and then the liner to really make the eyes pop, and then just a nude lip. So super simple and easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Next video will be what I bought when I was in Australia. So if you guys want to see an Australia haul for like makeup and clothes, keep on watching next time. Otherwise, have a really great day, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye!